Welcome back. Baga Beach, award-winning director Lakshmikant Shetgaonkar's latest Konkani film has been selected for Indian Panorama Bouquet. This is his third Goan movie being selected for the Indian Panorama. The jury has selected 26 feature films and 16 non-feature films out of 210 entries.
Baga Beach International Film Festival of India Indian Panorama या सिलेक्शनान आमचे फिल्म सिलेक्ट जाल्ले आसा. ताका लागून म्हाका खूप खोशी भोगता आणि सागर किनारी आणि पलतडचो मनीस नंतर हे माझे तिसरे फिल्म जे इंडियन पॅनोरामान सिलेक्ट जाला. सो ताका लागून चड खोशी भोगता की आम्ही अशा तरेची एक कन्सिस्टंटली फिल्मां तयार केली जांच्या भितर एक क्वॉलिटी आसा आणि फक्त फिल्माची स्क्रीनिंग न्हू तर एक सिलेक्शन कमिटी ती फिल्मां सिलेक्ट करता. सो ताका लागून एक स्टँडर्ड बरो मेंटेन केलो आमी. हाजी ताका लागून म्हाका चड खोशी भोगता.
Al Shaddai Charitable Trust, in association with UK-based organisation called Coaching for Christ, are planning to set up a professional football academy in Goa. A delegation of European coaches is currently in Goa to conduct coaching sessions for coaches and children at Asgaon and Sangolda. The ongoing program has, however, received a poor response.
Director of Coaching for Christ, Stephen Crawford, explained C4C's work around the world.
Not only do we work in Northern Ireland, we have worked in Africa, we've been in Kenya, we've been in South Africa, we've been in Zimbabwe, we've been in Spain, and last year we were in Chile. So it's a great privilege to be in your country here in India. It's a great privilege to work along with El Shaddai. I had come last year along with my colleague David Montgomery. He had been here for over the last 10 years, and he wanted me to see the great potential that he saw for developing grassroots football here.
FA level to coach, David Montgomery was unhappy with the poor response to this great opportunity to enhance the standard of coaches in Goa.
There's been a tremendous opportunity for people involved in grassroots football with young people, junior teams, to get a level of coaching that they wouldn't normally experience, and for whatever reason they have not turned up.
Managing Trustee of El Shaddai, Matthew Kurian, disclosed the plan to set up a professional academy in Goa and also clarified on C4C's vision.
To use football as a vehicle to develop children. When it's a Christian faith, it's not about talking about getting all these children converted. It's going to be a football academy with assessment center purely to develop children in football.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Sushant Par from Panji.
And with this we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.